And now for all the details. The situation in the Indian Parliament witnessed only a few minutes of functioning on Tuesday as ruckus continued in both the houses. In a stormy start, the Lok Sabha saw repeated adjournment as opposition stormed in the well. Speaker Om Birla appealed for order, stating that discussions could be taken up after question hour, but the uproar only intensified. As a result, the House was first adjourned till 12 p.m. and then till 2 p.m. and eventually for the entire day with no legislative business conducted. The Rajya Sabha witnessed similar scenes with opposition MPs pressing for acceptance of their adjournment motions. Deputy Chairman Harivansh attempted to bring order, but repeated disruptions led to multiple adjournments, culminating in suspension for the day. A major point of contention was the scheduled debate on Operation Sindoor, for which the government had allotted 16 hours but wanted to defer the session until Prime Minister Narendra Modi and key ministers return from official foreign engagements. The opposition, however, insisted on holding the debate immediately.
यहाँ ये तकिया लेकर के जो नियम के विरुद्ध में जो प्रदर्शन करता है मैं उसका खंडन करता हूँ। ये निंदनीय है। सभापति महोदय जी ये सब सुन रहे हैं, ये मेरा बात सुन रहे हैं। ये बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी में हम लोग जो बात करते हैं और सबने कहा कि ये प्लकार्ड लेकर के सदन में नहीं आएंगे, फिर ये अपने एमपीओ को ये पोस्टर बैनर लेकर के सदन को इस तरीके से डिस्टर्ब करना ये तो बहुत आपत्तिजनक है जी। और वो चर्चा मांग रहे हैं, हम चर्चा के लिए तैयार हैं, फिर ये सदन चलने नहीं देते हैं। ये डबल स्टैंडर्ड बिल्कुल गलत बात है।
Meanwhile, in an unexpected turn of events, India's Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar tendered his resignation from the post on Monday evening. The resignation, submitted just hours after the monsoon session of Parliament was set to reconvene for its second day, took both political circles and the public by surprise. In a brief letter addressed to President Draupadi Murmu, Dhankar cited personal health reasons as the primary cause behind his decision. The resignation was accepted later on Tuesday. Election to the position of Vice President needs to be done within next 6 months as per the Indian Constitution. The ruling BJP and its allies have the numbers to elect the next Vice President of NDA support. Till the election is done, the upper house will be chaired by the Deputy Chairman and MP from Bihar, Harivansh Narayan Singh.